So hello, we will start with a review test for class 3, chapter 1. I hope you can see well, good, and check vocabulary and concepts. Choose the best term from the box. Number that ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, they are in which number they are? Even number. Even number. The symbols 0 until up to 9, they are called digits. You can use these two symbols and you can use this, sorry, they are called digits. You can use these three symbols to compare numbers, okay? And one way to estimate is to round, okay? Round. It means it's even, you must digits, compare and round, and expanded form it will stay. Second task, write the number in standard form. So let's together 2001 for 2145 and we have 345. Suppose you want to round 371 to the nearest hundred, okay? Which hundred is between, which is hundreds is 371 between. We must know this is between 300 and 400, and which is the next question, which hundred is 371 closer to? It will be 400. Okay, our check skill, right? Whether is number odd or even. We will try with 317. Is this odd? 200 is this even. 1348 is even. And 12,999 is odd. You must check all the time the last 7, 0, 8 and digit 9. And after you can answer this question. Write the number in standard form. Okay, we'll make this back. Number in standard form, 3711. After 2039, 2039. Okay. We will write the value of blue digit. We have 863, 8 is 100. 9,845, 9,000. 12,053 is 5 is tens, and 2,859 is 30. Number digits 3 is 3. This means 10,000. Okay. Now it's nothing, but we must compare. It's like this. Another 3,000, of course, is more like 300s, and 7,000. 7,000 is more like 4,000. Finish. We are going to make the last 4 question and write the numbers in order from least to greatest. I will make little bit bigger. We will make this task. It means 92 after 143 and 438. 23. We will make this from the list. 7,141, 7,304, and after it 7,819. Finish. Okay, and last one. Round 85 to the nearest 10. 85. We will round to the nearest 10. 90. And round 80. 824 to the nearest 100, and it will be 800. So it was all.